So I belong to Jamnagar as it's my native place. Yeah, so really it was a strange question to me because I never indulge in cooking habit. Though I live in 2 BHK house, it's a apartment and the kitchen covers almost 80 square feet area and most of the part is by platform and storing food items. But I never entered a kitchen in my life, so I am not much familiar with the cooking habits. Yes, actually, I myself as well as my wife both are doctor, and we both are really conscious about our healthy food habits. We are not eating too much oily foods, even not eating frequently junk foods. Though we eat once a month, but that was okay. I found. Sure, sir. Yes, sir. I have very nice experience of eating outside in one of the famous restaurant in my city. Uh, yes, definitely, sir. We have a group of 6 to 8 people. We are colleagues, and sometimes we may get together at one of a friend's house, and we spend 2 to 3 hours in a day, and we separate by eating dinner. Uh, the eating in a restaurant that offers uh, you some of the advantages that you can spend some of the time with your family, your friends, and you can enjoy the lively movements over there. Simultaneously, you should keep in mind, particularly the food hygiene, the cleanliness in the restaurant, how hygiene the food it is serving, and these are the many times these are the limitations of a restaurant which are not offering a hygienic food. Yes, sir. So not frequently, but though when I was busy with my some conferences or meeting, when I go outside, particularly, it's not a more than twice a year experience. But it was not so much frequent. But I love to stay in hotel. Yes, sir. It was a great experience to me when I stayed at a Taj residence in Ahmedabad, and it was a five-star hotel, and it was such a thrilling, such a fantastic and enchanting experience for me to stay over there for 3 night, 4 days. And some of my colleagues they were come to fear that oh, you are staying in Taj because the actually government the expenditure was borne by government and the organizers they were also shocked that how the government will borne the expenditure of the Taj, but we bargained with the Taj people and we managed somehow to remain limited with the budget. Yes, sir. Hotel business basically grown in recent years, and there are so many people. They love to travel so frequently, so many times in a year even, and that makes this grow in the hotel business. And that is the one of the biggest reason during festival times you found a high rise of prices, the soaring of prices in hotels. Sure, sir. Can I start, sir? So basically, it was a great achievement in someone's life to fly in aeroplane, and I had my own experience too. That I spent some of the time in an Indira Gandhi International Airport at Delhi. When I planned my journey to Jammu Kashmir, we are visiting in almost 2007, 2008 and it was a really great experience for me to spend time over the airport, because we have to spend at least 5 to 6 hours in connecting flights. We arrived in Delhi at about 7 in the morning, and we have to left for Kashmir in around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But the airport at Delhi that provides us facilities, they provide the AC facility with the reasonable amount of the lunch and even the tea or food. So even they providing us relaxing at a sofa, and bed was nicely organized at airport, so people can sit relaxedly. And even I myself and my kid, they never feel any problem at airport, and it's happy to stay. And the facility the airport is providing, that was excellent, that you can never expect that it was just below the 3 or 5 star hotel is providing. So Indira Gandhi International Airport is one of my favorite airport, just because of this reason, because I have visited so many airport in my life, so Chennai, Ahmedabad, and there are so many one. But I feel comfortable, reasonably comfortable at Indira Gandhi International Airport. And uh, particularly the flight was delayed due to bad weather, and the airport authority, the flight personnel that had provided us so kind and good facilities to us, that we never experience that we are bored, we are feeling bored, or we may have any kind of problem in our journey. So that was very kind. Sure. Uh, So generally, what I have observed is the paying capacity of person is increased nowadays, and more number of people they are affording to travel by air. Previously, they were not even to spend for two-tier AC or three-tier AC. Now they are also even fly in the air, just because of their paying capacity has raised. So for those people who can't spend so much amount of money on traveling purpose, the budget airline that serves their purpose. And often it is of great experience to fly with the Emirates and the other international Qatar Airways and Australian, and these are the highly delighted flights. But sometimes we never expect to sit in that flight just because of the high cost of ticket, and we have limited our expectation with the budget airlines that are providing. So sir, I speculate there is a lot of scope for the airlines to expand their business in coming years. Just because more and more numbers of people, they love to travel internationally as well as domestically. So the airline business definitely will grow at a larger extent, and there are capacities in the airlines. They are purchasing newer and newer aeroplanes. Sir, danger remains everywhere in our journey. That starts from either cycle to scooter or car or airline. Everywhere there is a danger of life. Someone has to die one day. But why not to enjoy our journey either on cart, cycle, or maybe on airline? Yeah, sir. Recently we have experienced Malaysian experience with the Malaysian airlines. Particularly that was limited to the Malaysia people. I don't know why the Malaysian airlines people were targeted. Sure, sir. Sir, I suspect particularly that the fossil fuel the airline was using, that was not, yes. Sir, nowadays I coming across in Times of India, I was reading an article, and that what I had read is that some people, particularly the name I forgotten, um, yeah, um, they have developed the solar power aeroplane. So it was a newer and newer technique they are coming nowadays to as a replacement for the fossil fuel, because in there will still be hope for the airline industry. So uh, previously we are using fossil fuel. We are using as a wood and coal and so many items as a fossil fuel. Nowadays it has taken form of gas, LPG, PNG, even CNG. Yes, so solar power energies, the wind, the hydropower, and these are the some of the alternatives we can use as a fossil fuel. Ideally, more and more number of people they are earning much amount of money, and when we are really thought that someone who is even capable of spending money for a bicycle, they have a car also. So it's very difficult to expect for an individual whether they have limited use, whether they make the limited use of the fossil fuel. But I don't think so, because ever growing prices of the petrol and diesel, and still the people. Uh, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Sir, thank you very much, sir.